For day one, start off with JSA. We do a job safety analysis. We do all of our mitigations. You gotta lay down your measurements. You gotta get your center points on where your baler's gonna go, your conveyor's gonna go. Getting all the parts in their general spot is kind of what the whole day goes to. They usually get shipped out of Jessup. Comes in usually 2 to 3 trucks. They usually put the main baler on its own truck because of the weight. Everything else will come spare parts in separate trucks. Day 2 would be start lining up our centers, making sure our conveyors were supposed to be. You gotta lay down cross brackets that go on the bottom of the conveyor pit so it doesn't move on us. After that, start hooking up the conveyor, the belt, unload all the parts, stage every part where it's kind of general spot where it's gonna go. Baler goes in its spot, so just get everything unloaded off the trucks, get the trucks out of here, get the crane out of here, and start our pre-assembly. That's kind of roughly about day 2 there. Yeah, by day 3, everything should be kind of in its spot. From there on, it's just hooking up hoses, the ejector, the platform, the stairs. From there, you want to make sure that your hydraulic unit's in its place for the electricians to come in and hook up. And then you also have hydraulic that comes in on the 3rd day and fill the tank up. Usually takes around 475 gallons on a REB-1. So from there on, it's just finish up, bolt up, welding, prefab. Everything gets anchored down all the way from the legs to the platform to the ejector to the baler. Yeah, everything gets bolted and welded down to the ground. Yeah, so after everything gets bolted down, then you got to run your wiring for your conveyor and your gearbox to the panel. From there on, you can test rotation, make sure you got rotation. From there, you start her up and you check for leaks, check for anything loose, start moving the gatherer, the ejector, the door, the belt, your wire tire, you start exercising that as well. Yeah, you just make sure everything's working properly. Then you start doing your dry runs, which is without material. Just setting it on automatic mode and just letting it bell. After that, we pretty much start training with the employees. When you're training, that's when you run your material. start going over how to run it, maintenance, filters, checking for leaks, what happens if the material gets stuck. And training usually goes from anywhere from 2 to 3 days. That's pretty much it for the install and training.